What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back from this video on this beautiful day, y'all. I didn't know it was gonna be a harvest day, y'all. I really did not know. Came outside to do some work, a lot of stuff to harvest. So guess what? Now it's a harvest video. All right, this is my first thing I harvested. This is an eggplant. Nobody in my family likes eggplant, but I like eggplant. So guess what I'm gonna grow? Eggplants. Let's keep harvesting, y'all. All right, let's get some of the golden zucchini. The vine borer about don't got it, but we don't got enough. We don't got enough, y'all. Look at my plant. Look at my plant. Yeah, it's about over, y'all. Take them to the king. But guess what? I got plenty more. Don't you fret. Don't you fret. Y'all worry about the vine borer. Get what y'all, look at that bug. See what I'm saying? Get what y'all can get, plant more seeds, and do your thing. Stop complaining about these goddamn vine borers. Let's get it. We're gonna get some more of these Richmond cucumbers, y'all. Let's get some more of these Richmond cucumbers, y'all. Can't go wrong. Lemon cukes. I want to see what they taste like before they get all the way yellow. Let's just do a little experimentation. Couple more lemon cukes. And these are the Richmond growing with the lemon cukes, which is weird. But either way, we're gonna get them. But I'm thinking, you know what? I'm not thinking this video. I'm just harvesting. I'm just harvesting. I'm not thinking about nothing. Yep, Big B, Big B. Look at you, B. I love having you in the garden, B. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I know I get in your way sometime, but I want you to know, do your thing, okay? My bad, I'm doing too much. Okay, keep doing what you're doing. All right, we got any more cucumbers in here? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Got another lemon cuke. All right. I didn't plant that much okra. Y'all snip y'all okra. Let me get the snips, y'all. I know somebody about to hit the fast forward button. Hold on, I got him right here. Hold on. And it's a little on the big side. Yeah, we're gonna put them in the freezer. Let's see what else we got to harvest, y'all. All right, let's get one of these Ozark tomatoes. And fun fact, once she start blushing like that, that's big as she gonna get. She ain't gonna taste no better if you leave her on there. It's just what it is. Pull it off, let it sit in the windowsill for about a day, and she's spectacular. She's spectacular, y'all. All this, I don't even understand the concept of vine ripened tomato. That's something they put on the package at Kroger, y'all. Get your tomatoes when they ready, y'all. Trust me. All right, y'all, let's get some of these sun gold cherry tomatoes. I almost had them on here too long. Oh yeah, oh yeah, they're good. Put them in a salad. Heck, put them in a smoothie. You can put them whatever you want to put them in, but you know my favorite place to put them at? In my mouth. In my mouth. Yeah, you should try it too. We're getting all the cherry tomatoes, y'all. We done had 2 days of rain. You know how tomatoes do when they get a bunch of rain. They start splitting. Ain't none of these splitting. Thank you, Jesus. Let's go ahead and get these. Stop playing with them. You play with your food, these bugs come out here and get them. Then you heartbroken. They splitting. All this weird stuff. No, man. No, man. We ain't gonna play with no food. Food is ready. We're gonna get the food. I garden to what? Get the food. That's all I'm saying. I come out here every day looking for food. Same way the bug do it. I just got fingers. That's the only difference. I got fingers and a thumb. If the bug had fingers and thumbs, we would never eat nothing. But thank God, God did it the right way. He gave us the thumbs. I'm just saying, that's how my mind be thinking sometimes. That ain't no good. All right, y'all. Let's do an investigation. No leaves. No leaves. That's crazy. The plant's still green. And guess what? Got boo-boo all on there. He did it. Yeah, he did it. Where you going? Straight to the king. Y'all keep playing with these hornworms. Y'all, doing all this weird stuff. Give them to the chickens or send them to the king. It's all the same. Look at that. He done boo-booed. Oh, you don't want to focus? Look. He done boo-booed all on it. And that leaf right there. Of course it ain't gonna focus. Don't worry about it. It's boo-boo there. Boo-boo there. But guess what? It's fertilizer now. Fertilize the soil. Yep. Get the boo-boo off the leaf though. Definitely get the boo-boo off the leaf. Alright, that's how you deal with hornworms. Alright, let's get these berry crazy tomatoes, y'all. Ooh. That's a lot of tomatoes. A lot of tomatoes. Tomatoes. It really don't matter. Oh man. I'm gonna do something cool with these. You know what I'm gonna do with these? Eat them. Not sure how I'm gonna eat them yet. They probably just be snacks. They put them in the refrigerator, let them get cold, and just pop them in. They're like grapes almost. They're delicious. They're delicious. Let's get all these. We out here playing with it. No more playing with it, y'all. More cherry tomatoes. Somebody say, bro, you just harvested cherry tomatoes. I don't want to watch you harvest all these tomatoes. Why? You watch me plant the seed. You watch me plant the seed, but you don't want to see me harvest the food. Make it make sense, y'all. I don't understand it now. Y'all sit there and y'all watch the whole video. Don't skip. Don't you skip this video. I'm watching you. If you skip this video, I'm coming to your house and rewinding the video so I can get all my watch time. You know what I'm saying? And I want some chocolate mint tea, y'all. I don't know the proper way to do it, so I'm just gonna pull me a couple branches, the ones that's the biggest. Hey, smell it. Smell it. It's okay. Smell it. Okay. Is that a spider? Don't worry about it. I'm keeping the other bugs off. Here we go. You can smell it now, not the spider. Delicious. All right, on with the harvest. These are my shishito peppers, and they are small because this is bad soil. This soil sucks. Really do suck. I don't know where I got it from. I don't know if I got it from the Dollar Tree or what, but this soil sucks. So I'm gonna get my little shishito peppers out here. They small, but I'm gonna get my little shishito peppers. They are delicious, as long as they ain't hot. They say 1 in 10 shishito peppers are hot. I've been on a 100% hot streak the whole year. Hopefully we can break it with these. So let's just get them out. They putting on peppers, we want them. Yep, give me all these peppers. Give them all here. I'm gonna go to the other shishito plant and show you the difference in the size. I had to show the bee. These bees are nasty. They doing some nasty stuff in there. All right, I came to show you the other shishito plant. I can't show you the size of the shishito because I picked them all, y'all. I do a lot of harvesting, y'all. This is a harvesting video. I harvest all the time without the camera. Just saying. I planted some of my, I cut some of my bean plants out. We're gonna return the nitrogen to the soil. I'm gonna cut it right there at the base. Probably should have cut it a little closer. Some of these gonna grow back. And I'm just gonna cut them back. But it's been uptaking nitrogen the whole time it's been growing. I'm gonna leave the roots in there and let it feed the squash, y'all. Plus they needed more light. So many bean plants were covering up the light. What they gotta do with harvest? I still got beans to harvest, y'all. God darn. Y'all be killing me. Y'all don't wanna hear me talk at all? Well, look, I'm gonna harvest these beans, tell you how many I got, show you how many I got when I come back. All right, okay. All right, I got these many beans, okay? Now, I could have let the plant stay in there a little longer, but to be honest with you, I got a freezer bag full of these, and nobody eat this many green beans. This many green bean casserole. a lot of casseroles, y'all. That's all I'm saying. All right, y'all, let's get some of this cayenne. I'm planning on drying it out and using it medicinally. Medicinally, that's a big word. You did it, bro. You pronounced it well. Yes, you are doing a good job. You're just doing a good job with your big words, bro. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am. And dude, this cayenne pepper plant is doing its thing. I bought this cayenne plant. Yeah, I paid Bunny a little too much for it, but I think it paid off. I think I got enough peppers to make the purchase worth it, y'all. Now, if I'd have spent $5 and got 5 peppers, I would not have been a happy camper, y'all. And then a lot of people saying, well, shoot, I just go to the store and buy my cayenne pepper. And this just me now. This is my opinion. If I'm using something medicinally, there you go again, bro. You did it well again. Then I want it as healthy as possible. I know what went into these peppers besides what Bunny did to them. I know all about these peppers. I know when the first pepper came out. I know what the first pepper looked like. And I trust me. I trust me all the time. Oh, if y'all wonder, yeah, that's mullein. I heard a lot of people say that it take 2 years to get it to the size. The harvest, don't always believe what people say, y'all. Do your own thing, grow your own food. All right, y'all, this the harvest. Oh yeah, that's a good harvest. That's a good harvest. That's a good harvest. I don't know how many times I gotta say that. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Shot clock, what's the score?